In primetime news this evening, no need for alarm. Public Health Department responds to concerns about return of infamous crab circle vendor.
Police to halt issuance of tickets to motorists for daytime running lights.
And later, 3 foreign nationals arrested for attempting to smuggle contraband into the country. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Prestius. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, there's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, all categories of fuel will be increased tomorrow, but by how much? I'll have the details later on in the business day.
And to give us the details of what's coming up in primetime sports, here's Jermaine Brown.
Thanks, Archibald. Well, after filing a complaint against Mount Pleasant FA in the Jamaica Premier League and having that complaint, wiped off the table, Cavalier FC response. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Romaine is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Being the dominant feature across the region, we still have that moisture convergence helping to generate afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Along with these weaker winds, it's not until the weekend that we are expecting the winds to start picking up to about 20 knots across both coasts.
And he'll have more details in primetime weather later on. There's also sports commentary E-Prime and, as I said, the weather later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Art, you're asking, what's your reaction to news that the controversial crab vendor Alice has returned to Crab Circle?
These comments should be interesting. You can share yours online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at tvjnews center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.